Christian.
From Channel 4 News, your guide to the universe.
Today we have a special news segment called Space, a survival guide to help all of our local friends navigate through the galaxy this weekend.
First up, we have live coverage from Brittany on Mars about the recent Martian storms. Brittany, can you hear us?
Yes, Lauren, I can. Lately, I've been taking note of the different research from Mars, and as you can tell, there are extreme differences on the surface of Mars between day and night. That causes extreme windstorms like the one yesterday. They're quite common here on Mars. For example, on the equator, you can expect there to be negative 90 degrees Celsius at night, and at a comfortable 20 degrees Celsius during the day. As a result of yesterday's storms, locals are doing what they can to deal with this storm.
Brittany, can you tell us how exactly the Martians feel about this storm? How has it affected their commute to work or school?
Yes, it has, Christian. I have here Mr. Zabido, whose entire car was covered by dust, making him stranded at home. I have a few questions for you, Mr. Zabido.
Yeah, sure thing.
What's the weather like on a common occurrence here in Mars?
Well, all summer we've had nothing but 60-mile-an-hour winds for days. I mean, I was expecting rowdy weather when I relocated from Earth, but I was not expecting this.
Well, there you have it. Please be safe out there. Enjoy your week. Back to you.
Wow, that seems like quite the storm. Let's move on and take a look at the intergalactic games going on right now.
Yeah, I believe today is water polo on Saturn. Let's check in on Brittany, our senior analyst, to see how the games are going. Action.
Hello, Christian. I'm here at the intergalactic water polo games. I have here Shelby, who is representing the solar system team. What's going on, Shelby?
Well, it seems like they overlooked a very key issue in the games. There's absolutely no water here. How are you supposed to play water polo with no water?
So what have they suggested doing? Have they suggested moving to the rings, perhaps?
Yeah, they suggested moving to the rings, but in my opinion, they're way too small to be playing water polo on. So I'm not really sure what's going on. Team Solar System's ready to go, but we're a little upset about this little drawback here.
And there you have it, folks. No water polo games as of yet.
For those of you who don't know, Saturn has no solid surface. So officials are currently trying to figure out how to hold a water polo game on a planet where liquid water is very unstable.
The officials have been currently discussing alternatives for these intergalactic games. Brittany is on the scene with all of these alternatives.
Have they ever considered it moving to one of the moons, like Titan?
Yes, they have considered moving it to one of the moons like Titan. However, in the forecast, there's supposed to be methane rain on Titan. So as you can imagine, it's going to be pretty hard to play water polo on methane rain.
Well, there you have it, folks. Make sure you bring your metal umbrellas and gas masks to the water polo games.
This just in. A rocket ship called the USS Swingman has been captured in the event horizon of a black hole. Brittany is at the site. How does she get around so fast?
This truly is breaking news, Christian and Lauren. I seem to have just witnessed a rocket ship that has landed in the event horizon of a black hole. I can totally see that this person is redshifting and disappearing altogether. It also looks like they're spaghettified. And that's all I have for you. Be safe traveling out there. My name's Brittany and Channel 4 News.
So for those traveling, a common effect of being caught up in a black hole is what we call spaghettification. Now, spaghettification causes the squishing and elongating of a body or object just like that of spaghetti. Time seems to slow down, and you seem to just disappear after being redshifted relative to someone outside of the black hole.
Although it's unlikely to run into one, you can't see a black hole, so watch out for accelerated orbital speeds of stars to minimize your chances of running into one. Fortunately, that's all the time we have.
We hope you enjoyed our segment, Space, a Survival Guide.
We just wanted to thank you for watching. I'm Christian.
And I'm Lauren. Have a good day.